Mga dude pare, isa talaga sa mga dream SUVs ko ang Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG. Kaso wala naman akong 20 million pambili nun. Buti na lang naglabas ang Bike Philippines ng Bike B80 Wagon with an optional Brabus kit. For an additional 1 million Philippine pesos, yung Bike B80 Wagon mo, magkakaroon na ng mga ganitong poging mga accessories. Meron tayong Brabus na carbon fiber hood scoop there. May LED turn signal here from Brabus also. And we also have a front grille with a red B right there. And this front bumper with a carbon fiber insert also coming from Brabus. Here on the side, we also have these 20-inch forged aluminum blackout Brabus wheels. Meron tayong carbon fiber side strip here and a carbon fiber insert on the hood. Plus, may front spoiler tayo na gawa rin sa carbon fiber and may LED lights pa yan. Pero pare, punta ka dito, tingnan mo yan. Meron din tayong triple side exit exhaust here on both sides for a total of 6 exhaust pipes na may kasamang remote control kung gusto mong mahina o malakas ang tunog ng tambucho mo. Pagdating sa likod naman, meron kang carbon fiber rear spoiler there. We have this large Brabus spare tire wheel cover na naka-carbon fiber and yung rear bumper mo also comes from Brabus. Plus we have these smoked out LED taillight units. Pare, ang ganda ng Brabus kit talaga dito sa Bike B80. Pero tingnan nyo kung nasa ilalim ng hood para makita mo kung gaano kalakas ang Bike B80 Wagon. Alam mo mga dude pare, hindi lang gwapo tong Bike B80 Wagon with a Brabus kit. Malakas din siya. We have a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 here that can do over 200 horsepower and 420 Newton meters of torque. So hindi lang siya pogi, may power pa, may lakas pa. So there you have it mga dude pare. This is the Bike B80 Wagon with an optional Brabus kit available at all Bike Philippines dealerships nationwide via special order. O, diba?